Hello, Jandrick. Thank you so much for your comment. Sorry sa ingay ng electric fan because here in the Philippines, it's hot. So to answer your question, there are a lot of possibilities kung bakit zero ang nakikita mo sa statement mo. Let me give you one. Parang nabubulol pa ako doon. Pero let's say for example, ang cut-off date mo would be, example lang to would be on the 8th of every month. And then, gumastos ka ng April 9 onwards. Usually kasi, yung gagastusin mo from or after your cut-off time, sisingilin na yan sa'yo ng bangko the next following month, which would be May. So, para kasi sa akin, in my interpretation, kung hindi ka gumastos ng credit card mo, you haven't used it, on or before April 8 or 8 of the month, wala talagang sisingilin sa'yo ang bangko kasi hindi mo ginamit yung card mo within one cycle. So, meron ako nakapin dito sa TikTok video ko kung paano gumagana yung statement date or cut-off date. Pero just to be specific, kung gumastos ka naman pero zero pa rin nakikita mo sa statement mo, call the bank para sure, para maiwasan natin yung mga fees. Pero kung magfa-fall naman dun sa scenario na binigay ko yung scenario mo, sa susunod na buwan pa talaga nila sisingilin sa'yo yung mga ginastos mo onwards after your cut-off time. Pero again, if zero ang nakalagay sa mobile banking application mo, zero ang nakalagay sa statement mo, pero ginamit mo yung card mo, baka meron lang tayong technicality na issues na na-encounter dyan. Kaya call the bank para sure, para iwas fee, and ayun, para sulit yung bawat pera na pinagtatrabahuhan natin. I hope this helps. Additional pala, ninanamnam ko kasi yung comment mo. So, kapag nakalagay sa outstanding balance mo yung amount, definitely dapat bayaran mo yan on or before your due date. Pero kasi kung nakalagay naman sa statement balance mo zero, minimum minimum account due mo or minimum amount payment mo is zero, call the bank kung ginamit mo talaga yung card mo tapos wala ka nakikitang statement balance.